Welcome to our channel. If you want to explore premium services through demo accounts before committing to a subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to access full-featured trial experiences safely and effectively. Step 1. Visit the official website of the service you're interested in and look for demo account options, which may be labeled as Try Demo, Test Drive, or Sandbox Access. Step 2. Review what features are available in the demo environment compared to a full subscription, as some demos limit functionality, data capacity, or usage duration. Step 3. Register for the demo account using a valid email address, noting that some services may require phone verification or additional information. Step 4. Explore the demo environment systematically by testing key features that matter most for your intended use case, taking notes on performance and usability. Step 5. Pay attention to data limitations in demo accounts, such as maximum project sizes, number of users, or storage capacity, to understand if these restrictions would affect your actual needs. Step 6. If the demo period is time-limited, create a testing schedule to ensure you evaluate all important features before access expires. Step 7. Use any available tutorials or guided tours within the demo to learn best practices and discover advanced features you might not find on your own. Step 8. Compare your demo experience with other services in the same category and reach out to sales teams if you have specific questions before deciding to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.